Okay. Now only Joseph be able to sit on the roller. This is a big excavator. And I don't remember what is that. What machine is that? But here the excavator is working. And Joseph right here watching. Joseph, what do you see? What are you doing? Try to like spread out some dirt on the road. Hả tao? Said you like it?
Yeah.
A lot, a little bit.
Yeah.
A lot. Bernard nè. Look right here, mommy. See Bernard? Ta-da! Anyway. Okay. I'm in with mommy. And better working. Enjoy, Joseph. You keep asking to go to see excavator, but it don't work. Oh yes, this one coming. I don't know what this called. Wow, it's the experience to see so close like this. And it's safe. Yes, make sure it's safe to watch. Bye bye. He's amazed, but not amazed too.